Got a 2008 G6, G8, I'm sorry, that's why it's 2008. So what I did, I pried all of this out, trying to get to the radio to do a 4-channel amp and a subwoofer. So you basically got that, pry it out. I can't show you because it's a lot of work. And then you just keep prying it out because it's got all this clip right like this. It's got 2 clips right there and right there. And then all this I just pry it out. There's no screw. And then you got this one right here. And then over here you're going to have to take this glove compartment and everything out to get to this. Because as you can see right there, I don't know why Pontiac make everything so difficult. So once I get it out, I don't know what else. This thing just gonna be pulled out straight like this after you take this screw, the Phillip out. On this G8, it's not easy. I mean, it's literally a 3-4 hour work. I mean, that's me doing it every day. I'm still, you know, having a hard time trying to get it going, try to get it to work. So what I did, I didn't have to take that side off. I tried it, but it was too much. So I just came over here to the passenger side and take the glove compartment out. And I'm gonna tell you what I did. So what I did, I cut the wire from, you see the plug right here? I cut in half. So I ran it to the speakers right here. So I used the 9-wire conductor. I'm gonna tell you what color that I did. The left front, it would be the positive is brown, and then the negative is gray. And then for the left front, I'm sorry, right front, it would be the gray plug right here. So I got the gray to the light green, and then the gray black to the darker green. And then left rear, I got, as you can see right there, see the green black right there, the green will go to the brown, and then the green black will go to the yellow red. Also for the right rear, I got it on purple to the darker blue, and then the purple black is light blue. And then also I ran 2 speaker wire to the line out converter. So I'm gonna use the rear speakers. So I got the red go to the darker blue, and then black go to light blue. And then for the left rear, I would use the brown to the red, and then yellow, red to the black, which is the negative side. So I ran 2 speaker side. I don't have to, but I'm just gonna do it like that for the LC2I audio control. So right now I'm gonna go to the back. So as you can see right here, I haven't fixed the wire up yet. I had to make sure I tested everything. So I got the 2 speaker right there to the line out converter. As you can see, I got red to the positive and the negative, and then the red again for the other channel to the positive and negative. As you can see right there. And then you come over here, you got the remote out, the blue wire. You run to the 1 amp, 1 4-channel amp. That's what I did. And then the red right here, I put it up to the 12 volt, which is right here. And then the black. How I get the red wire is from here. So I got the red wire. This is from the battery over here. The battery is right there. So it's pretty easy to get to. If you hooking up just a subwoofer, it's not as bad. But when you do all 4 channels, you gotta go to the front, which is take me quite a few hours because of the trying to get to it and run the wire over here. And I'm gonna tell you right now, it's not easy to run the wire. So be prepared 3, 4, 5 hours, maybe 6 hours if you haven't done these G8 before. So back to that 12 volt. I got the red wire, go to that over here, the 12 volt out here for the line out converter, LC2I. And then also I got the remote from LC2I over here to the amp. So when it sends a 12 volt, it's going to turn the amp on. And then I also ground it to the metal, any kind of metal. Make sure you clean the metal. I have another video that show you how to do this. This is something I'm not gonna try to show everything because the time that I spend on this is crazy.